If you work with documents in LibreOffice Writer, knowing how to change image wrap can save you a lot of time and give your pages a much cleaner, more professional layout. Whether you want text to flow around an image, sit beside it, or stay completely clear of it, LibreOffice gives you several easy wrap options to control exactly how your image behaves on the page. In this video, I'll show you how to change image wrap in LibreOffice Writer step by step, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if you're a beginner. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new tutorials are posted. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, look at the left side under Create and click Write a Document if you want to start a new file. If you already have a document that contains an image, you can simply open that document instead. The process works the same either way, so choose whichever option matches what you're doing. If you still need to add an image, go to the top menu and click Insert, then click Image. This opens a file browser so you can choose the picture stored on your computer. Find the image you want to use, select it, and then click Open. LibreOffice will place the image into your document right away. Now that your image is in the document, click on it once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the handles or border around the image. This step is important because the wrap options only appear for the selected image. If nothing seems to happen, just click the image again to make sure it's active. Next, right-click on the selected image. A menu will appear with several image-related options. From that menu, hover over Wrap. When you move your mouse over Wrap, LibreOffice will show you different text wrapping styles you can choose from. This is where you control how the text behaves around the image. Now choose the wrap style that fits your document best. If you select None, the text will not wrap around the image, which can be useful when you want the image to act more like a standalone object. If you choose Parallel, the text will flow around the image on the sides. If you select Through, text can flow through the image area depending on the settings. And if you pick Optimal, LibreOffice will automatically choose a wrap layout that gives the best visual result. After you choose a wrap option, you'll immediately see the text adjust around the image based on the setting you selected. This is one of the easiest ways to improve the look of a document without having to manually move every paragraph around. If the text doesn't look the way you want, don't worry, so you can always right-click the image again and try a different wrap style until it looks right. This is especially useful if you're making reports, flyers, class notes, resumes, or any document where images need to fit neatly into the layout. For example, if you want the text to stay readable and aligned beside the image, Parallel may work better. But if you want the image to stand out without text crowding it, None might be the better choice. The key is to test the wrap style and see which one matches your document design. If you want to make your document look more polished, Image Wrap is one of those small formatting tools that makes a big difference. It helps you control spacing, readability, and the overall professional appearance of the page. And once you get used to it, changing wrap in LibreOffice Writer only takes a few seconds. So to quickly recap, open LibreOffice Writer, insert or select your image, right-click it, hover over wrap, and then choose the style you want. LibreOffice will automatically update the text layout around the image for you. That's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.